Okay, here we're going to cover left, right, middle, and concatenate. Now in this example, we have a product number in cell A2, which is a 7-digit, what we call style number, a 3-digit, and a 3-digit color code at the end. Now this is just an example, but we can use this same logic to isolate any number of cells that you're working with. Now for this example, like I mentioned, we have a 7-digit style number, a dash, and then a 3-digit color code. Let's say we had a long list of these and we wanted to separate them into their individual style and color code. We can do that with a left formula by typing in equals left, selecting the cell that we're looking to make the adjustment to, put in a comma, and then it says number of characters, num underscore chars. We're going to select 7 and note that it counts from left to right. So 1 all the way to 7. You can close the parentheses or hit enter and then it will spit out the style number. Now on the other side, if we wanted to count from right to left, we can isolate things starting from the right. So in this instance, if I want the 3-digit color code, I select the cell, comma, 3. Now there's another formula that you'll use sometimes, which is a similar logic, and this is to isolate things in the middle. Now you start just as you did with the others by selecting the cell that you're working in. Now you'll select the number of characters over that we want to start from. So in this instance, we want to start at the 8th character to isolate the dash, and we just want it to grab that one character. So you can see here, we isolated the dash. Now, let's say you wanted to combine these, or you wanted to, in another situation, which we'll review later, you want to combine several categories to create a unique value. You can do so by typing in equals concatenate, and then you select in the order you want to combine them, separated by commas, the cells that you want to add together. And voila, here we have the same article number that we started with.